The Kapoor family just launched Dining with the Kapoors on Netflix, their brand new show where they're sitting down together for an intimate conversation over meals, sharing stories, laughs, and moments you have never seen before. It's a fresh take on celebrity reality that feels genuine and warm. However, despite the show bringing a whole new concept, fans couldn't help but notice Alia Bhatt, who's married to Ranbir Kapoor, is missing from the show. She couldn't join due to prior work commitments, and honestly, the internet has mixed feelings about it. Some are disappointed while others are excited to see the rest of the family shine. On the other hand, watching Kareena Kapoor Khan, Karisma Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, Neetu Kapoor, Randhir Kapoor and the rest of the Kapoor family together has made fans nostalgic. The show begins with a beautifully assembled prologue that instantly hooks the viewer before whisking them there 3 weeks before Raj Kapoor's birthday centenary. The plot is simple. Reema Jain floats the idea of an anniversary lunch to her son Arman, who promptly executes a celebration befitting the Kapoor reputation for largeness of spirit and stomach. What follows is a spirited family reunion featuring members across 5 generations who gathers to eat, reminisce and gently roast each other with casual ease of people who have been doing this forever. But if you're still on the fence, and here are 5 solid reasons why Dining with the Kapoors is absolutely worthy your time and you can absolutely binge watch it this weekend. The first reason has to be the candid persona that we get to see of the legendary Kapoor Khandan. The show offers a rare, unfiltered look at one of the Bollywood's most iconic families, bringing Kareena, Karisma and Ranbir Kapoor together for a candid conversations that goes beyond movie. Secondly, we absolutely love the pure chemistry between the Kapoor cousins. The chemistry between Ranbir, Ridhima Kapoor, Shahini, Kareena, Karisma, Adar Jain and Arman Jain is pure gold. Expect playful banter, heartfelt moments and nostalgic stories straight from their childhoods. Thirdly, we are in awe of everyone's candid performances. Performances are endearingly unscripted. Each of the family members exudes breezy wit and nostalgic composure. The younger lord's commentary adds casual stand-up energy, while the older lord's candor provides emotional ballast. They are all exuberant, yet remains the picture of quiet dignity. Reema Jain emerges as the emotional center, revealing the spine that has unofficially held the sprawling family together. The next reason why Dining with the Kapoors can be your weekend watch is the rare reunion of the Raj Kapoor family. The Kapoors are known for being tight-knit, but this is the first time in a long time that we get to see so many of them sitting together, sharing a table, sharing stories, and sharing laughs. It's intimate, warm, and gives a behind-the-scenes look of the family that the public rarely gets to see in such an unfiltered setting. The final reason has to be food, nostalgia, and family traditions. It's not just about conversations. Dining with the Kapoors celebrates foods, memories, and everything that makes their legacy iconic. From family recipes to nostalgic throwbacks about Prithvi Raj Kapoor to heartwarming moments about Rishi Kapoor and Krishna Raj Kapoor, the show beautifully blends the family's past with their presence. It feels like you're sitting at the table with them. So what are you waiting for? Tune in to know some internal secrets about the Kapoors, and for more such content, make sure to follow and subscribe FPJ Showbiz.